And we live in the most polarized time in modern history. And if you don't know what polarization means, it means you're here in the middle. Here's the North Pole and here's the South Pole, and you begin to be drawn to one or the other, good or bad. It could be either way, but you're drawn to whatever it is because it's being polarized. We live in a political tribalism, culture wars, family divisions over politics, vaccines, religion, social media rewarding outrage. Jesus said, "Blessed are those who make peace, not those who win arguments, not those who destroy their enemies." Anybody can do that.